Alright, I'm back here. This is another update because I just got the Western Digital. I installed that. In the background you can hear some noise, and that's I'm doing the benchmarks on Far Cry 2 on the system I have already, and then we'll see the difference from that computer to this computer. I got the Western Digital set up. There's the wiring for it. There's the SATA, and there's the power for the drive. I got it set up in the middle of the drive bay so the cooling, so the airflow will go on the top and the bottom, cool it off better. Got that set up nicely. Maybe in the future I'll get some more, but not at this moment. Cause on this computer I'm using right now, this one right here, I have 250 gigs on it, and I barely use all of it. I use 200 of it. I have 50 extra. So if I get the Western Digital right here that I have 100 gigs left over that I'm gonna have for free. It's good. It's supposed to be really fast, but I hear a lot of people have problems with it, that it dies out on them. Let's hope I don't have that when I boot up. Just another look here. The wiring here that still have this power for the processor. If anybody that watches this video has a Silverstone 1200 watt power supply, please tell me how to set this up, because I've been looking and all that other stuff. I can't find how to set up the power for the CPU. I got that set up. I mean, that's easy. But now it's connecting these wires down to the power supply is hard. I can't figure out. All the other wires I know, those are nice and simple. But this one has 2 split ends, so it's kind of difficult to figure out where they go. So yeah, if anybody is going to be watching this and has a Silverstone 1200 watt power supply, help me out. Okay. Another look here. You can see the wire from the neons goes right into there. Sticks out on the side. There's the wire for the fan. Right out the... Can't see it. I think I did a pretty good job on the wiring. You can't really see any of the wires. I mean, obviously you're going to see that and you're going to see this. But I mean, nothing's sticking out here. Everything that's down there is still going to be fixed up a little bit, because I'm just waiting to get that right there set up, and then I have the power for the sound card, as you guys know. I mean, the front control panel wires. I'm waiting for the sound card to come in. Yep. And the CPU I'm going with is the Intel i7 920. I think I said it in another video. Yeah. I mean, it's like, this is how it's gonna look. All you gotta do is really add the RAM and the 295 when it comes out, and this is how basically it's gonna look. So you still kind of get a little glimpse of what it's gonna look like. You got the front control with the fans there. And another thing I did today, while I was installing the Western Digital VelociRaptor, ooh, that name's gets me tricked up, is I unscrewed every screw, took every drive out just a little bit so I can see the out port, so you can take out the dust filter, and I loosened up the wires right here for the fan, so I can actually pull this out a little bit, so I can get the dust filter, because I had them so tight that if I would have unscrewed it and tried to take these out, they wouldn't come out, because the wiring back there is holding these back, so I wouldn't be able to. So I loosened that up so I can get them out, because I had some dust already from them from the stress test I did with for the water cooling. So another update, maybe a little update here on water cooling. Yeah, no bubbles. Maybe there's like 3 bubbles back there, but I mean, that's up in the reservoir. Nothing bad there. Everything's good. Yeah, another little look here. That's somebody in TeamSpeak. Alright, let me show you guys.
Go into this level with commentary mode on. Listen to all the fucking commentaries.
Yeah, I've done that. And I ran all the way to the end of the fucking mission and let the bot fucking run through.
Here's the specs on Far Cry 2.
They already killed.
played through Death Toll, single player. Not commentary, I just played through it. Francis died, 3 of us made.
Switched channel.
Alright, I got 26 frames on these settings right here. Let's see if you guys can see. The resolution is right there. That's my resolution for this screen. Then I have all that set up medium, medium, medium. Basically the whole game's running on medium. And then I have fire, physics, and real trees all set up to very high. And I got, let's see that thing again here. 26 frames for average. 26.11. We'll see what this rig does, because I did another test early on that and I got about 34 frames on the game on the lowest setting you can set it possibly to. And I mean, that just shows my system right there is bottlenecking. So we'll see what I get out of that video card when I put it into here. But that video card is only going to be in the system for about, I don't know, 3 weeks. It's just so I can use it, because I'm selling that system over there for $500, getting the money's worth, so I can get my CPU and RAM. And in another video I'll show, I'll do a benchmark on GTA 4, because I already did one, but I forgot what I got. So the next update is when I'm going to get my RAM, my CPU, and then I'll show you the GTA 4 benchmark. And I don't know if I'm going to do any Crisis benchmarks. I don't really care about that game. I don't know. Just don't care about it. Had an okay storyline. Looks amazing. That's all it is. Yeah. So stay tuned. Next video is going to be up, I don't know when, but yeah. Another little look once again. And before I go, let's see if I can show you guys this here on the back of here. I don't know if I can see it. Alright. The IO plate. I don't know. It looks like the motherboard is a little bit higher than what it's supposed to be, because the 2.0 USB slots, they're up higher than the IO shield. I don't know if that's normal or anything. You can even tell by the sound. It's a little bit higher. And by the digital audio, it's a little higher than IO. It's like touching the top of the IO. I don't know. I don't think it's going to really bug me. I don't really care. So yeah, that's how it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and yeah.